Hello all. So today we'll see about the course called Internet of Things IoT. So we all know that this IoT today is ruling the world with different applications, and next 10 to 15 years this IoT is going to withstand for a lot of applications. And when you talk about the applications, you have n number of applications talking from industry. You can talk about agriculture, you can talk about healthcare and different aspects. So to start with, let us talk about these definitions of Internet of Things. So talking about the definition of Internet of Things, it's a dynamic global network infrastructure. So normally when you want to apply any IoT, you need a very good infrastructure, and it also has the self-configuring capabilities. Normally when you talk about the capabilities, we normally categorize into two different capabilities. One is processing capability, the other one is communication capability. So when you talk about the processing capability, if you are connecting a sensor with the processor and it processes the information of the sensor which is given as an output from the sensor unit, that configuration is said to be processing capability. And after configuring or after the processing terms are over, when you want to transmit the information to any of the cloud services, then we need some communication capability. So this communication protocols, normally there are two different mediums. One is wired and the other one is wireless medium. So it depends on which medium we are going to transmit the information. And regarding this communication protocol, we are also going to see about a lot of different aspects of wired and wireless communication standards which is available for IoT. And if you take about IoT, is the network of physical objects which is embedded with software, electronics, sensors and network connectivity. So this enables the objects to collect and exchange the information. So normally when you want to transmit and sensor information to any of the uh, open cloud services, or it may be your own cloud services, so this can happen when you can have this kind of boards, whatever it is available with Wi-Fi devices, or it can also be in wired medium. So exchanging of data is something which talks about whenever the data is being processed from the sensor unit and it is transmitted to the cloud service. Later on, from the cloud services, it can be taken into process and returned back. It can also control the applications or any loads which is connected with the processors. So if you talk about the applications, there are n number of applications, as I said. So example is smart city, healthcare, and it also plays a very important role in security aspects. We'll also see about that in the later videos. Talking about the healthcare, a very good example is measuring the human body temperature and pulse sensor and pulse information. Sorry. So taking about the pulse information, we need pulse sensor, and if you want to measure the temperature of the human body, we need temperature sensor. So these are the two sensors which you need, and where it can be connected with any processors which will support the transmission of information through any protocol medium. It may be wired or wireless medium. Now let us take a Wi-Fi medium where the information is going to be transmitted to the cloud services. So it is going to monitor the patient's health continuously, and it is going to transmit the information to the doctor. So based on this information, of course, the doctor can take about all the actions whatever it is required if something goes abnormal. So these are some of the applications which is available in Internet of Things. So these are the definitions. So later on we will also see what is the characteristics of IoT in the next video, followed by we'll see about some of the physical designs which is available for IoT and some of the protocols available in IoT. Thank you.